Hi guys, welcome back to Dee's Kitchen. So today we're going to make homemade Rice Krispie treats, and for this recipe I'm going to use Rice Krispie, marshmallows, and butter. I also have some special guests that's going to help me today, so I'd like to introduce them. And my first guest is my niece. What's your name?
Jada. Hello.
And my second guest is my son. What's your name?
Zatavion. Hi.
Come on. And my little guest, stand up. My other niece, what's your name?
Mackenzie.
Her name is Mackenzie. So I have Jada, Zatavion, and Mackenzie that's going to help me with this Rice Krispie today. And also, you know, just to add a little extra to it, we're using M&M's, chocolate. We have cookie cutters and sprinkles and cookie sticks. So let's get started. So to start off, we're gonna put our eye on 5, and my niece Jada, she's going to cut 3 tablespoons of butter. You're going to place that in a pot. You can use this to wipe your hand. Okay. And we're going to allow this butter to melt completely before we add in the next step. So for this recipe, you want, you know, a nice size saucepan where you're able to stir and stuff. So we have a nice size saucepan. We're just gonna allow this butter to melt. And for the next step, my son, he's going to add the marshmallows. And for this, you need 1 10-ounce bag of the miniature marshmallows. All of them. So you want to stir your marshmallows until they are melted completely. I turn my eye down on about 3, just so they won't cook so fast and scorch. Our marshmallows are almost melted completely. So we're just gonna continue the stirring method until they are all the way melted. So now for our next step, now that our marshmallows are melted completely, we're going to add our Rice Krispies, which we have 6 cups of Rice Krispies here that my baby niece is going to add. Pour the rest of them. Pour all of it. All right, thank you.
And
So now I'm just going
I'm
to
just gonna bring my chair.
stir the Rice Krispies in with the marshmallows.
Yeah, you are. They smell so
And
yummy
we're going to
already. They smell
continue
so
this
yummy
until we get it all mixed in. Now that our marshmallows and Rice Krispies have melted, we're going to take half of it out of the pan and we're going to place it in a greased cake pan. And we're just gonna take this and smash it down much as possible. Just lay them down much as possible like that. Gonna make room for the other half. So you can use your hand just to lay it down. Okay, like that. So we took half out and put it in a greased sheet pan, cake pan. Now we're gonna take the other half and we're gonna add caramel M&Ms. At this point, you can turn your eye down on 2. So we have caramel M&Ms. We're gonna take and we're just gonna add just a handful. Put them in. And just let them roll around in there with the Rice Krispie. I mean, you can add more if you like, more or less. Whatever your preference are. That's good?
Yeah.
Okay. So after we mix those in there, give it a little color.
This one smashed.
Yep, that's what you want. So now you're going to take this half and put it in your cake pan. And you're going to lay this flat. And my reason for doing M&Ms in some and not all, because they are caramel M&Ms, and like me, I don't eat caramel, so I did 2 separate batches. So we have regular Rice Krispies here to my right, and we have regular Rice Krispies with caramel M&Ms inside. So now all we're gonna do is going to let this sit and chill for about 10 minutes. So we are done chilling our Rice Krispie treat. So now we're just gonna have some fun with it. Have some sprinkles here, some chocolate, and some M&M minis, and we have some cookie sticks. And because I do not have cookie paper, I'm just going to use clear saran wrap to lay it on after the chocolate is on the Rice Krispie treats. But right now they are about to cut their Rice Krispie treats out into shapes. So now they are going to decorate their Rice Krispie treats. Now that they have them cut out, we have a flower. Supposed to be a paw print. And 2 bowls. Okay, go ahead you guys.
You mean sunflower?
So they have designed their Rice Krispie treats. That's the end of my homemade Rice Krispie treat video. This is a great project that you can do with your kids. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, thanks for watching. Bye.